Yo, what is that noise? It was like do 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 do. Everything's on fine this morning and this afternoon. This evening, early evening. The same time like yesterday. It's do 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 do. There's somebody banging on the freaking big car, trash compactors things or trash cans, the big ones. Like, what the hell is that noise? That shit is annoying. It's like it's weird, annoying. It never happened before. It just started yesterday. The hell you doing, the government? What y'all doing to the people? Children still testing on us? What the fuck? Stop it. Damn, man. People just can't live peace. Peace don't make money either. We did the same stick for a long time. But stop it. Get shit right. But no, seriously, like, Lord, please. No, doors and yeah, them things scaring me. These black cops, it was like she's not dead and she take out sometimes like in and out. But like you get longer and longer, more of these episodes you have, the more longer they are. I'm like, it's pretty far. It's just I don't even want to know about the VA thing, you know. Um, really, she it's like always happening at nighttime. You know, I know about in the house. I don't know if you're gonna be like that when we go over here. Maybe if it is like maybe it's a environment, maybe it's the house. I don't know. But I don't know if she had differently when she out. So I only know about this house in a while since we went down there for the festival. But we'll see. Like we gonna take a chance. If you don't still live by it, we're gonna make it work. See hopefully if it's the location or because like Lord, please. He figured it out, and it's softball bonus, just want to get down since I hope this noise just disappear. Lord, breathe. I beg you, oh Holy Spirit. Oh, that noise, you know, it's annoying. It's like, this is annoying. And the continent they have the same thing over there. That's all over there. What is going on in Greensboro in this area? Or out of this area? After I look it up, it's nowhere to be found. People talking about something 10 years ago. Not yesterday. I said yesterday, it's still not enough. Still probably not enough. But I should upload this thing. Shit. Why? Where's the noise coming from? Like, to be